So one of the things that's really important is that we're delivering more value than our guests are expecting. So remember, most experienced Airbnb guests or any short-term rental are going through your listing with a fine-tooth comb to find out about all the amenities that are going to be included at your property. That's why we talk so much about adding amenities and value and leveraging that in your marketing. But also think about what happens once a guest checks in. That first experience and last experience, really the check-in and check-out are the two most important. So some small things that we do, and we're still here at my lake house, as you can see the s'mores kit that we have here. This is supposed to have 3, but I've already eaten 2 of them since we've been here. So it's really cost effective. You can see there's some really nice tags that my wife picked up, I think on Amazon, to brand them. There's a full pack of graham crackers, a full pack of probably, it looks like about 12 marshmallows, and 2 full Hershey's bars that are here. Once again, another Amazon little sign there. And then we've got the sticks, the s'mores sticks. And the next video, what I'm gonna show you is some really big added value. But before we get there, I don't want you to forget about your welcome gift. So we're talking about adding value through s'mores here. I mean, this legit is probably like about $6 to $7 for every single group that comes in, every single guest. But also don't forget about your welcome basket. And we actually have a welcome bag. We just use a brown paper bag here because we're at the lake and we want to kind of tie into the theme. But some things that are really important is we give them 2 koozies that are branded with Paradise Point. We give them 2 sets of sunglasses. And the reason that we're giving away sunglasses is like literally the first time, and here comes my, all right, here we go. So you can see we've got branded sunglasses with Paradise Point, which is the name of our company. And they're not the $2 cheapies, they're $2.69, but they're still really nice. Koozies that are branded. And then we have the welcome packet, which also has, you know, popcorn, so that way if they get hungry. And here's my experience. Literally the first weekend that we stayed here, I lost 2 sets of sunglasses. So now we're also giving them the sunglass, if I can get this on, holders here to where you can put them around your head and you don't lose your sunglasses. So you're getting 2 pairs of sunglasses and 2 sunglass, save them from falling in the lake thingies, whatever they're called, I don't know. And then just, I'm not gonna pull everything out of here, but we got granola bars, we've got cheese and crackers, we've got 24 Oreos in here for Oreo packs, we've got Snickers, we've got a bunch of different stuff that we're putting inside of the welcome packet. And a lot of you may say, well, what about the bottle of wine or what about the water? Look, as I jump off camera here, I've got a bottle of wine here, but I only leave that for certain guests. And we leave at least a 12 pack of water, bottled water, inside of the fridge. So we don't tell our guests that they're gonna get a bottle of wine. We don't tell them about our welcome gift, and we don't tell them about the s'mores kits. That way, when they walk in, and the other thing that we've realized is that the majority of our guests are checking in at night, especially from the fall through the spring when we are not on daylight savings time anymore. So my wife has the entire house staged with candles. So we leave the candles on so it gives that wow factor when they walk in. So I talk a lot about selling the emotion, marketing the emotion. The 2 things that you really need to focus on is the first experience when they walk into your property, and then that emotion, the last thing that they're focusing on and thinking about when they're getting in their car to drive away. Now, if this has created any value, and I sure as hell hope that it has, because if you follow this is really what you're selling. You're not selling the number of bedrooms. You're not selling the number of forks inside of your drawer. You're selling the experience and what your guests are feeling emotionally when they walk out the door. So that way they come back and book with you again and give you 5-star reviews. So if this has created any value for you, make sure you subscribe because I've got a lot more of these coming and I want to see you maximize your profit with your Airbnb, but you're not going to be able to do it unless you hit that subscribe button.